So we are solving for class 10th very important questions. Next question. Question is, fine. Question is, if center of a circle PQ is a chord okay, PQ is a chord and the tangent PR at P makes an angle of 50 degree with PQ solve it. So what is given here is angle RPQ is equal to 50 degree. That means this one is given 50 degree. Let's see who can answer first. Saranya, 100 degree. Correct answer, beta. Now look here, why it will be 100 degree. So angle OPR will be equal to 90 degree since tangents and normal, tangents and radius are perpendicular. Okay, Kritika, Pavitra, everyone is telling 100 degree. Okay. Now, beta, here we can write angle OPR is equal to 90 degree. That is angle OPR equal to angle OPQ plus angle RPQ. So this is coming 90 degree equal to angle OPQ plus 50 degree. So angle OPQ is equal to 40 degree. Okay, now OP is equal to OQ. What radii of circle? So this will be equal to this. So this angle will be equal to this. Therefore, angle OPQ will be equal to angle OQP is equal to 40 degree. Why? Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. So now we can say in triangle POQ, angle OPQ plus angle POQ plus angle OQP is equal to 180 degree. Sum of angles of triangle. So here 40 plus 40 degree plus angle POQ is equal to 180 degree. So angle POQ is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree. So it is coming 100 degree. Understood everyone? Fine. So let's go for next question. Now beta, this is exactly given as T, this is given as P, this is given as Q, and this is given as R. Now what is the question given is, in the given figure, is it a tough question? Can you tell me what is the value? So already QP given is 3.8 centimeter. They are asking length QR. QP given is 3.8 centimeter. Also QP is equal to QT. From external points are equal. So beta, if this is external point, then this length QP is equal to QT. Okay, so this length will be equal. And beta PT given is how much? QP given is 3.8. So QP given is 3.8. So 3.8 is equal to QT. QP PT. Here it will be PT. So PT here coming is 3.8 centimeter. Now again, beta, we know that PT will be equal to PR. Same theorem, because it is now external point, and from external point length is exactly equal. So what you can say, PT is equal to PR, length of tangents from external point of a circle are equal. So now beta PT is 3.8. So PT is 3.8 is equal to PR. So Pavitra has given the answer 7.6. Sarne also gave 7.6. So let's see. PR is equal to, okay, Kritika also gave 7.6 centimeter. So PR is equal to 3.8 centimeter. And you know what is QR? QR is equal to PQ plus PR. So beta QR is equal to 3.8 plus 3.8, that is 7.6 centimeter. Okay, so I'm going to keep it till here today. Tomorrow again we will do revision. Now full on revision we are going to do like this. I will give you more important questions and we will be practicing those questions together. So now start revising all that parts. Okay, beta. Bye everyone.